One iguana soaking up the sun, having fun till the day is done. Two ice creams melt in the heat, incredibly sweet, a summer treat. Three ingots made of gold, so precious to behold. Four insects fly in the air, buzzing around without a care. Five islands floating in the sea, each with its own unique beauty. Six igloos built out of ice, providing shelter, warm and nice. Seven ice skaters on the ice so bright, spinning round with all their might. Eight instruments play in a band, creating music that's oh so grand. Nine icicles hanging high, sparkling bright against the sky. 10 ibis birds standing tall, a magical sight for one and all. Incredible things with eye we found, from iguanas to ibis on the ground. With rhyme and rhythm we've learned so well, now let's go explore for more to tell.